Hello students, after understanding the Bohr atomic model in detail, बोर एटॉमिक मॉडल काफी डिटेल में पढ़ने के बाद अब हम लोग इस पॉइंट पे पहुंचे हैं कि इसकी शॉर्टकमिंग भी जान लेते हैं। क्या इसकी शॉर्टकमिंग्स हैं? ऑल द बोर एटॉमिक मॉडल वाज सक्सेसफुल इन एक्सप्लेनिंग द स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ एटम एंड द लाइन स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम, बट इट हैज सीवियर ड्रॉबैक्स आल्सो। इसके कुछ ड्रॉबैक्स हैं, ठीक है, जिसको आज हम लोग को डिस्कस करना है इस क्लास में। हम लोग को सोचना है कि व्हाट आर द ड्रॉबैक्स ऑफ द बोर एटॉमिक मॉडल। ऑल्दो इट हेल्प्स इन एक्सप्लेनिंग द लाइन स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड द ड्यूअल बिहेवियर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशन, इवन it shows certain drawbacks. We have to discuss here what are the drawbacks of the Bohr atomic model. The first drawback of Bohr atomic model was that it does not account for finer details of the hydrogen spectrum observed using sophisticated spectroscopic technique. It means Bohr atomic model could not give about the fine details about the doublet, that is what are the region of the doublet and what are the region behind the two closely spaced lines that is observed in the spectrum of hydrogen. Even by using the spectroscopic technique, Bohr was unable to explain the finer details of the hydrogen spectrum. The second drawback of Bohr atomic model was that it does not able to explain the line spectrum of hydrogen atom containing more than one electron, called multi-electron system. कह सकते हैं कि Bohr atomic model that is applicable only for the one electron system. It is not applicable for two electron system or three electron system, or you can say that more than one electron system. Although Bohr successfully explained the spectrum of the hydrogen atom, it also explains the spectrum of He+, but it does not explain the stability and the line spectra of hydrogen more than one electron. यानी कि Bohr atomic model is only applicable, it only applied for the one electron system, so it is unable to explain the line spectra of atoms containing more than one electron, like called multi-electron atoms. So we say that Bohr model is applicable only for the one electron system, the hydrogen-like system. According to Bohr's theory, one and only one spectral line can originate from an electron between any two given energy level. Only one spectral line can originate from an electron between any two given energy level, but when we see with powerful microscope, जब powerful microscope से इसको observe किया गया तो कुछ certain single lines are found to split into a number of very closely lines, यानी कि single lines को जब बहुत पावरफुल माइक्रोस्कोप से देखा गया तो सिंगल लाइन से सिंगल स्पेक्ट्रल लाइंस भी जो है कई सारी लाइंस में स्प्लिट होती हुई नजर आ रही थी। द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ सच लाइंस कुड नॉट बी एक्सप्लेन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ बोर थ्योरी। ये लाइंस क्यों हो रही हैं, क्यों डिफरेंट लाइंस में ब्रेकअप हो रही हैं, दैट कुड नॉट बी एक्सप्लेन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द बोर थ्योरी। अनदर ड्रॉबैक ऑफ बोर थ्योरी is it failed to account for the effect of magnetic field on the spectrum of atoms or ions. It was observed that when atoms emitting radiation is placed in a strong magnetic field, each spectral line is further split into the number of different lines. This phenomena is known as Zeeman effect. It means when spectral lines are placed in magnetic field, they are further split into the different lines, and why they split into the different lines, that could not be explained on the basis of the Bohr's atomic theory. The splitting of the spectral lines into different lines under the influence of the magnetic field, that is known as the Zeeman effect, and the splitting of the different spectral lines of atoms or ions by applying the electric field, that is known as the Stark effect. So Bose was not able to explain these two effects. He was not able to explain why Zeeman effect will arises or why Stark effect will arises. Bose theory does not provide any clue, or it does not explain about the shape of the molecule, size of the molecule. बोर्स थ्योरी के आधार पे हम किसी मॉलिक्यूल का शेप क्या है, साइज क्या है, उनके बीच में बॉन्डिंग क्यों होती है, वो सब नहीं एक्सप्लेन कर सकते. सो बोर्स वाज अनेबल टू एक्सप्लेन ऑल दीज. एंड द मेन ऑब्जेक्शन to the Bose theory comes from the new principle, that is the dual nature of matter and uncertainty principle. बोर्स थियरी का जो मेजर ड्रॉबैक था वो दो प्रिंसिपल के डेवलपमेंट की हुए, ड्वेल नेचर ऑफ मैटर एंड अनसर्टेनिटी प्रिंसिपल. अकॉर्डिंग टू दीज कंसेप्ट, द इलेक्ट्रॉन which earlier is treated to be the particle, now it is said to be the particle. All material particle, they possess, in addition to the particle-like characteristic, they possess wave-like characteristic also. So they introduced the idea of wave character of electrons in addition to the particle-like character, and pointed out that the path of motion of electron cannot be well defined. ये हम कह नहीं सकते कि electron is localized only in a particular circular path, or it is localized around the nucleus only in this path. We can't say that, because it is very difficult to determine, it is very difficult to measure the position of the position of electron, and it is very difficult to measure its momentum also. So when we can't measure the position and momentum of an electron, so how can we say that the electron is present in a particular orbit, a particular circular path? This is totally wrong. So this is the main objection, which this is the main objection to the Bohr's atomic model, and thus these overruled the Bohr's idea of well-defined orbit. और यहीं से जो है बोर्स ने जो पहले कहा कि the electron is revolves in a certain circular permitted path, that is known as the orbit. Now when we know the electrons behave like wave characteristics, so we can't say that electron is present only in a particular orbit. So it rules over the Bohr's idea of well-defined orbit. ऑर्बिट का ही कंसेप्ट जो है उन्होंने खत्म कर दिया. सो वी कैन से दैट the Bohr's model was only partially successful in explaining certain phenomena or in explaining certain results, but was unable to account for many other features of the atoms. Therefore it is necessary Therefore, it is necessary, in the light of modern ideas regarding the wave characteristic of matter, to propose the new theory for the structure of the atom. So these are the weaknesses of Bohr's atomic theory.